In this tutorial, we are now going to see the process to upload a video on YouTube and then work on the elements of adding title and other part. Few points to keep in mind when we want to add video is that we should create a search friendly title with the help of which the video can be discovered more prominently. Also, we must describe the video in short with use of some important trending words which will help the video to be viewed a lot more. We have seen the process about how we can find keywords in our previous tutorial. We'll be adding some element to that as well in this tutorial. So let us go forward and check it out. On your main page of YouTube, at the top right hand side, there is the upload button. Once you click on it, you will see the page where it will ask you to select the files to upload. You can even drag and drop a file if you want to. Once you click on that icon, you will be able to select the video that you want to upload. So let's say one of the videos I am selecting here. After selecting the video, it will be uploaded, and then there will be the basic information regarding the video which you would be required to add. So the first part will be the title, which is there at the top. By default, the file name of the video is added as a title. Now, here is the important part about creating the title. To understand this, let us go back and check the sheet we had downloaded from the display planner in our previous tutorial. So here is that sheet which has the details about the different keywords. So in this sheet, I'll first go ahead and delete or hide the unwanted columns, and here are the different keywords which are there. Apart from these keywords, there is also some data regarding it which is seen on the right hand side. So let me go forward and even hide that data which is not necessary. Okay, here is the main important data which is useful for us. As you can see, here are the different keywords like used car for sale, or cheap used car for sales, or certified pre-owned used cars for sale. So regarding our video which we are uploading, if this was the product for which we would be advertising, we need to keep in mind all of these keywords like certified pre-owned cars or SUV used cars, or even keywords like luxury used cars, because these are the keywords which are having a lot of impressions, means there is data related to these videos being consumed, and there are a lot of visitors which are viewing this. You can synonym cookies for visitors viewing the video. So wherever there is an high amount of impressions and visitors, you should be selecting those keywords to be included in your title, in your description, and in your tag. So let's try and create a particular title, description, and tag regarding the same. So here there are the three columns of title, description, and tags. So let's say we want to promote this video related to used cars. So probably the title could be going as know about pre-owned and used cars. So it could be something in a more catchy manner like things you should know about pre-owned and used cars. So this will help us to attract the end user for our video. The next step we will do is add description. So here I have created a description which will help the person understand what the video relates to. Also, it is covering the keywords which are important like used car owners or pre-owned used car in the title, followed by sale of used car. The important point is to make it as descriptive and as simple as possible. If you are having your website which is going to do a sale or which is going to capture a lead additionally, you could also go ahead and end your description by saying that check out the website for more details. Like you could be going in this manner. Once you have added that, the last element is about adding tags. With the help of tag, your video will be more discoverable. Related to our product, we'll add the categories like used cars. Here, with the help of a comma, you can enter multiple tags. So a comma will make a keyword turn into a tag. So we'll be taking the help of the display planner tool as we have done so previously and try to incorporate the best possible keywords. We should ensure that we are not tagging many keywords like maybe 30, 40, or even any number more than 10. The best idea is to use 5 or maybe 7 different set of keywords as a tag and add it according to the most search words we have found through the tool. So let me check out to find couple of more tags. So there are keywords like find a used car as well as luxury used car. So I'll add these keywords. So once we are done with these steps, we can now publish our video. We can do that with the help of the publish tab. As soon as you click it, the video will be made live and would be available on YouTube. So once I click on publish, it will be giving me a link and telling me that now the video is active and I can check it out on this URL. So if we go on that particular URL, we have indeed accomplished our task of publishing a video on our channel indeed. And here also can see that here is the title as we had entered. If you think that it should be changed, as you are the owner of the channel, you can click on the title and change it. A better idea would be to keep the first letters as capital so as it looks more precise, and then here is the data that we had entered in the form of description. So this is a way of how we add and upload a video on YouTube. We'll check more details in our coming tutorial. Thank you.